Want to know how to change your username or your name tag in snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your snake.io game. So we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch. Now, once you've opened up the game, you should be welcome to this section of the game right here. And on the top left side, you should be seeing your current player number and or your player name. So you can just simply select this pencil icon or your edit button right here, and you can just simply change it to anything that you want. Once you're done, just simply select tick right here and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you easily change your name in snake.io. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.